Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Binance account from UAE in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Binance application and then log in into your account. Over here on the home page itself, you will be able to see the buy crypto option. So simply tap on the buy crypto and you will be landed here on this page. First of all, you need to tap on this drop down menu here in the top and you need to select whether you want to make this purchase an instant order or a recurring buy. Recurring buy means that you will be able to purchase USDT automatically like every week or bi-weekly or monthly. So I would recommend you, if you are a complete beginner, simply select the instant order option. Over here, tap on this drop down menu first and select AED as your currency. Then enter the amount of AED currency which you want to basically use in order to purchase USDT. It is going to show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you are going to get. So here you can either pay with the help of your bank transfer, or you can also tap on this drop down menu and select your credit or your debit card. Now as you can see, if you make the payment with the help of your bank transfer, you are going to get some USDT like 77 USDT here, but if you select the card option, the USDT amount will be reduced because some of the amount may go in the transaction fees. So after selecting this option, simply just tap on this confirm option here in the bottom and tap on the place order option. Now once you do this, it will redirect you on this website where you need to provide your login credentials and follow further instructions in order to basically purchase USDT with the help of the bank transfer that you have selected. You can also use P2P method on Binance. For that, you need to come here on the home page, then tap on the more option. Now go to the P2P section. Over here, first of all, select the currency as AED by tapping on this drop down menu in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you just have to simply select the buy option and it is going to show you the people who are selling you USDT. So tap on the buy option right next to any one of these persons. Then enter the amount of AED here which you want to purchase. Again, it is going to show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you are going to get. Then tap on this bank transfer option. Then tap on the place order option. And this way you can basically purchase or deposit your USDT in your Binance account with the help of these two methods in UAE. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.